Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to do a turning double crochet without the chain 2 at the beginning of the row. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. To work the chainless double crochet when turning, when you get to the end of the row, instead of chain 2 like this, we're going to pull up a loop like this and then turn the work. Now keep your finger on that loop. Hold that loop so that it stays against the hook. Now wind around from the front to the back and insert the hook into that very first stitch, and I'm still holding on to that loop. Now you're going to work a double crochet, so pull through those first 2 loops and then pull through the remaining 2 loops, and then just continue across the row, making a double crochet in each stitch. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Now when you get to the end of the row, you're going to see these 2 loops. You're going to work your double crochet in those 2 loops. So in this loop and in this loop, complete your double crochet. And this technique will give you straight edges and no gaps. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.